Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix no audio output device is installed in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for troubleshoot. After that, click on troubleshoot settings. And then in this part, we're going to click on other troubleshooters and then look for audio. Now, click on Run, and then this will pop up. So what we're going to do is to just follow these steps right here, and then they will try to fix your problem. So all you have to do is to answer some questions right here, and then after that, if you can still fix your problem, you can contact the support right here, and then they will also try to help you. Now, once it is done, what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for Device Manager. After that, click on Open. And then in this part, we're going to look for audio inputs and outputs. So click on the drop-down button and then just look for your speaker. Now, let's say for example that this is your speaker. So what we're going to do is to right-click on it and then click on Update Driver. After that, click on Search Automatically for drivers and then they will install the latest driver for your device. After that, click on Close and then try to see if it is now working. However, if it is still not working, what we're going to do is to right-click on it again and then click on Disable Device and then click on Yes. And then after that, just enable it. And then once you do that, just go here on your Windows icon and then restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.